I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright. OSHO Zen. 79 cards plus instruction book. It says the transcendental game of Zen. When life seems to be full of doubt and uncertainty, we tend to look for a source of inspiration. What will happen in the future? What about my health? The children? What will happen if I make this decision and not that one? This is how the traditional tarot is often used, to satisfy a longing to know about the past and future. This OSHO Zen Tarot focuses instead on gaining an understanding of the here and now. It is a system based on the wisdom of Zen, a wisdom that says events in the outer world simply reflect our own thoughts and feelings, even though we ourselves might be unclear about what those thoughts and feelings are. So it helps to turn our attention away from outside events so we can find a new clarity of understanding about what is happening in our own innermost hearts. The conditions and states of mind portrayed by the contemporary images on the cards are all shown as being essentially transitional and transformative. The text in the accompanying book helps to interpret and understand the images in the simple, straightforward, and down-to-earth language of Zen. It's a $29.99 US, $34.50 Canada. Illustrations by Deva Padma, I'm not sure. Printed in Belgium. Okay, so nothing too great about the packaging. It's colorful. It's a nice sturdy box. Wow, nice book. Black and white pages. It's pretty thorough. Gives about the author and wow, it's lots. Introduction, the OSHO Zen Tarot, how to play the transcendental game of Zen, major arcana, minor arcana, card spreads or layouts, glossary of symbols, Osho, the source of inspiration, about the illustrations, list of references, further instructions, goes through all of the cards in the table of contents. It's a pretty informative book. Here's a quote from Osho that I found really inspiring. The Buddha is nobody's monopoly. It's nobody's copyright. It is everybody's innermost being. You don't have to be a Buddhist to be a Buddha. To be a Buddha transcends all concepts of religions. It is everybody's birthright. Persuade it to come along with you to your daily activities, so everything in your life becomes a meditation, a grace, a beauty, a benediction. And then the cards are secure in this. I'm not sure if you would want to put them back in the box. Okay, so I did pick a card for the new deck, and it was healing, but the camera was not recording. So we're going to pick another card. Keeping healing in mind, because it's something we all need to do. We're always becoming, and we're always healing. And this is a very good shuffler. I'm shuffling the OSHO Zen Tarot. It's just a little bit shorter, so people with short hands can shuffle easy, and shuffles really well this way as well. So let's see what the card of the now for this deck is. Thank you, Lord. Well, how awesome. How awesome is that? It's been 2 days since I mistaped that, and we got the same exact card. Is that not crazy or what? So I'm going to read again the healing card. What a way to remind me, right? It's water, 56, okay. Healing is a water card. It is a time when the deeply buried wounds of the past are coming to the surface, ready and available to be healed. The figure in this card is naked, vulnerable, open to the loving touch of existence. The aura around the body is full of light, and the quality of relaxation, caring, and love that surrounds him is dissolving his struggle and suffering. Lotuses of light appear on his body and around the subtle energy bodies that healers say surround each of us. In each of these subtle layers appears a healing crystal or pattern. When we are under the healing influence of the King of Water, we are no longer hiding from ourselves or others. In this attitude of openness and acceptance, we can be healed and help others also to be healthy and whole. And it says, no, carry your wound. Be aware of your wound, but don't help it grow. Let it be healed. So, the spirits around me and God above never ceases to amaze me when talking through the cards. I dropped the cards. I had to get on my hands and knees and pick each one of them up, then count them. Then I shuffled in front of the camera, and I got the same card when the camera was not running. So just amazing, and I'm grateful for every minute I get to spend with you all and with the cards and with life. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, I'm Lori Tries Life. Bye-bye.